What's up, guys? I'm Caden with Crypto Now or Never. Today I'm going to be covering Hbar as it has recently exploded. Make sure you stay tuned till the end of the video. None of this is financial advice. Let's get into it.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. No.
So just to give a little recap, this was Hbar in my previous video, trading at just over 8 cents. And I called out the massive Class A bullish divergence, and I talked about how price action had just gotten back above the 50-day moving average. So I said based on those indicators, I wouldn't be shocked if Hbar continues pumping. Fast forward to the current Hbar chart, and we absolutely exploded. And we actually went quite a bit higher than I even thought we would. But regardless, had you guys bought Hbar when I was talking about it, you could be up around 42% in about a week. And those are incredible gains. And if you enjoy making gains in the crypto market, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Help me pump that algorithm. I would greatly appreciate it. But I'll go deeper into the Hbar chart at the end of the video, so make sure you guys stay tuned. Now, Hbar is currently trading at a price point of just over 11 cents. Their market cap is 3.7 billion, which ranks 27th among all cryptocurrencies. And their circulating supply is 33.6 billion out of a max supply of 50 billion, which is just over 67% in circulation. And now, if you guys are looking to trade Hbar, I recommend using Binance or Coinbase. I think those are the two easiest centralized exchanges to use. But now we'll go ahead and take a look at the Hedera X account, which has 326,000 followers. And they actually just pinned a new tweet February 19th. The Hedera network is built on and for decentralized trust, governed responsibly by the world's leading organizations diversified across industry and geography, creating a trusted digital future for all. The Hedera Council building the future together. Now, I won't show you this video because it's over 4 minutes, but I actually recommend watching it. It's pretty cool. And as most of you guys know, the Hedera Governing Council is one of the biggest reasons I'm bullish on this project. They have some massive connections like Google, IBM, Deutsche Telekom, Standard Bank, LG. The list goes on and on. And then they just reposted what the president of Hedera said 1 hour ago. The home for open finance is on Hedera. Financial institutions use Hedera for secure tokenized transactions, enhancing the security of digital financial services and minimizing fraud risks. And then they also posted 1 hour ago. In an increasing digital world, EQTY Lab stands at the forefront of the intersection of DLT and artificial intelligence, utilizing Hedera to bring transparency, accountability, and collaborative opportunity to AI models and their broad applications. And that's the other thing about Hedera. They are connected to AI, and I believe AI is going to be one of the biggest narratives in the next bull run. And I know that seems obvious right now because AI is the narrative that is currently pumping. However, I have personally been saying this for months and months and months and months. But then the last thing I want to talk about is this repost from February 20th. So Hedera hits peak TVL and surge in trading volume. The Hbar ecosystem has grown significantly over the past few months as the protocol hits an all-time high in Hbar TVL. The growth catalyst is saucer swaps, currently accounting for approximately 80% of the TVL. And as I've said in some of my previous videos, saucer swap is extremely important for the Hbar ecosystem. If you look around, all of the top tier layer 1 projects have a successful DEX. Whether that's Uniswap, PancakeSwap, SushiSwap, or even Saucer Swap, they all have one. But now we'll take a look at some macro news that could affect Hbar's price action, even though it's not directly correlated to Hbar. So this is WatcherGuru's X account, and they just posted 1 hour ago. European Central Bank says Bitcoin's fair value is still zero, and it's not suitable as a means of payment or as an investment. At this point, I actually find it kind of funny reading comments like this, especially as Bitcoin is sitting here at $51,400. But let me know down in the comments, do you guys still think Bitcoin has zero value? And then they posted 17 hours ago. Nvidia reports 22.1 billion in revenue for quarter 4, 7.28% higher than expectations. Now, something like this could possibly be extremely bullish for AI, and we might actually get another leg up. And then the last thing I want to talk about is what they posted February 20th. VanEck spot Bitcoin ETF trading volume is up 14x today. That is incredible, and it goes to show how many people are interested in the Bitcoin spot ETFs. But anyways, while we're on X, you guys should come over and give your boy a follow at Crypto Now or Never. I post on here pretty much every single day, and I've been trying to grow my X account. But I've actually been making some very profitable calls. For example, I made this post on January 9th calling out 3 microcap cryptos. Since making this post, MND is up 202%, Mora is up 124%, and GOQ is up 222%. So I definitely recommend giving me a follow. I think you guys might get some useful information. But also, if you guys wanted to take it a step further, I actually have an opportunity for you. So I have a private Discord through Patreon, and at the current moment, I have 3 different tiers. But there are many benefits to joining. For example, this is going to give you guys closer access to me, and you guys are going to be able to track the cryptos that I'm buying, selling, considering buying, and even the cryptos that I currently hold. And just understand, a lot of these cryptos are microcap gems, less than 10 million in market cap. They're the kind of projects that could theoretically turn $1,000 into $100,000. And I also have an amazing community that is also calling calling out opportunities. And just to show you guys some of the gains we've been making, we made 172% on GOQ in 13 days, 602% on Mine Token in 11 days. To put this in perspective, if you invested $10,000 in 11 days, your $10,000 would have been over $70,000. And the gains just go on and on. So if this sounds like something you guys might be interested in, I have the link right here on my YouTube homepage, and it's also in the description of the video. I would love to have you in there. But now for the final part of this video, I'll get into some technical analysis. So this is Hbar on the daily time frame. Now, as I said previously, had you guys bought Hbar since my last video, you could be up around 42% right now. However, what am I seeing right now? So the first thing I'm seeing is that price action has closed a candle above the previous local high. That is extremely bullish. However, the RSI and stochastics are now extremely overbought, and oftentimes after a super explosive move up, you might see a bit of a pullback. But to that point, we did actually have 2 red candles down. However, price action now has tweezer bottoms, which shows that this is a very strong support level. So based on that alone, I won't be surprised if we actually get an even bigger bounce. So just understand, in the short term, Hbar has some very mixed signals. But regardless, props to any of you guys that took this trade. We have made some very nice gains on Hbar in the last week. Now, lastly, we'll take a look at Bitcoin as it's correlated to most altcoins. So in pretty much all of my last videos, I've been drawing Bitcoin on a bull flag. And this bull flag could end up being very similar to the previous one that we absolutely nailed. So right now, the main thing that I'm watching is the 21-day moving average. Oftentimes, you will see it creep up and price action gets an explosive bounce off of it. But the main reason I'm looking for a pullback is somewhat similar to Hbar. The RSI and stochastics are extremely overbought. But then also, if you go to the weekly time frame, price action has a very strong Class A bearish divergence. We swing from a lower high to a higher high. The RSI is higher high to lower high. Again, that is a very strong Class A bearish divergence. So based on that alone, I won't be surprised if we actually get a pullback. And opposite to Hbar, when I said we had tweezer bottoms, you could argue that Bitcoin has tweezer tops on the weekly, which shows that this is a very strong resistance level. So right now, just understand that Bitcoin is extremely overbought on the daily and the weekly time frame. Does that guarantee we are going to drop? No, it does not. But just be very careful trading altcoins in the short term. Yet also, as I say in every single one of my videos, macroeconomics significantly outweigh technical analysis. So just understand, crypto is an extremely volatile asset class. Anything can happen. But that's about all. Let me know down in the comments, how high do you guys think Hbar will go next bull run? If you found this content valuable, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great rest of your day.